welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys the $5 Goodwill Challenge. I have been doing this challenge for quite a long time. Actually, my first Goodwill Challenge was the spring of 2015 edition. So this is my 4th year participating. My first one is kind of cringy, so it's kind of embarrassing, but I'll link it for you guys if you want to check it out because I feel like I've come a long way. But if you don't know what this video is, it's where you take $5 to spend to update your house for a particular season, this being spring, and you spend it at a store where you can buy things secondhand, or you can, go to a rummage sale or garage sale or anything like that. So anyway, I found one item and I will just hop right in and show you what it is. Actually, before I do that, I should mention this collaboration is put together by Hilary from Old World Home. I just sort of assume you guys know that, but I should say it anyway. It's put together by Hilary, and I will leave her video linked down below and her channel linked down below, and you can find a playlist there of everybody else participating because there are tons and tons and tons of people participating, so you can get a lot of inspiration for spring. So now let's hop in and I'll show you. I got one item, and this is the item that I picked up. It's this not wire because it's pretty heavy duty. It's like sturdy metal little planter sort of stand. Came with these plants in them, or these flowers here. I'm not a huge fan of these flowers. They're kind of cute. But they're not my favorite. So I think what I will do is end up taking them out and then just putting a new floral arrangement in there. So this actually cost me, you can see there, $5.99, but I had a 20% off coupon. So when you donate at Value Village, which is where I got this, they give you a 20% off coupon. So basically every time that I go thrifting, I'll bring something out of my house so that I can get the discount, as well as making sure that my house doesn't sort of fill up with a ton of stuff. Although I am a maximalist, I do like to be able to walk through my house without bumping into things. So I do donate at the same time. So anyway, I am going to take this now and do a little bit of floral arranging, and then I will show you where I put it in my house. All right, I went to my florals bin and took out all these basically Dollar Tree florals and the Dollarama, and I'm going to use most of these. I really want to use these pussy willows, as well as potentially these little guys. I don't know. So first things first, I'll just take out all of these and then we'll see what we can come up with. So I took the pots out and they're kind of making me laugh a little bit because there's some like hair and stuff in there, and it reminds me of Carrie from Carrie's Corner here on YouTube. Just did a video and she thrifted a tree, I think it was, or some type of plant. I think it was a tree. Anyway, and it had some sort of hair in there and we were all grossed out by it. But anyway, I'm just going to give that a little vacuum. So I think I'm done with the flower arranging. I love all these colors in here, but I don't really like how you can see some of the styrofoam through there, so I might find some moss and tuck it in there at the bottom. It's done, so now we will go find a spot for it, and I'm thinking at my front door. Got a couple new additions to the front door, so I thought I'd show you here. I just got this, you may have seen in an old tour, but this little mirror here I just put up. I got that at a yard sale in the summertime. So this is the table that I would like to put the stuff on, and so that's what I'm gonna do. It's looking pretty, but I don't like how it's sort of metal on this black here. I want something maybe soft in between for texture. And so I found this placemat that I'm gonna put underneath. This placemat I also thrifted quite a while ago, and so I'm gonna put this underneath, and then I think it's gonna look nice. There we go. So here it is here. I absolutely think it turned out wonderfully. I love all the colors in there. A lot of spring flowers, got some tulips and some pussy willows, and I just love the sort of wildness of it, if that is, you know, making sense to you guys. And I didn't do anything with the pots because they came looking really nice to begin with. I just put some moss in there, and I really love how this turned out. So this is my $5 Goodwill challenge for spring. So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, thrifting videos, thrift hauls, decorating videos, thrifting clothing. Got this obviously at the thrift store. I wear mostly thrifted stuff. But anyway, if any of that interests you, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.